What we're going to do now is we're going to make some treats, some Easter treats, and we're going to use this mold here, the Easter bunny and the egg, and yeah, and we're going to paint them and we're going to make them look really cute. But what you're going to need is you're going to need some plaster. I'm using Plaster by Paris. I'll show you the name of it in a minute. But what I'm going to, I think I took about 5 cups or 6 cups. And I'm thinking about also using this mold here. So this is why you'll see, so that's why I use 6 cups of plaster. But if it takes up this whole mold here, then this is what it's going to be. If I have some left over, then I'm going to use this one here, okay? And I just used this one here to make some other goodies. And that's these here. Just to see how it would come out if I use glue. So we used the glue gun for that one. And guys, it came out pretty cute. Check this here out. Look there. Isn't that cute? And here's another one. So that's what I did with that. I just wanted to see how it will come out if I use glue. And it came out pretty cool. So this process right here is going to take some time because I have to mix this up. Then I have to let it set in the mold for, I'm going to give it 24 hours. And then that's when the next process will start. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting my pink in my my plaster, and I might still have to put some coloring, some more coloring on it after it dry. We'll see. But this is how, and if you want to paint each one a different color, you would have to take some out, mix it, you know, and keep doing it that way. But I think I'm gonna just do it all pink and then add little colors afterwards. Yeah, starting to harden, so instead of putting water, I'm just going to add a little bit more paint to it. And then I'm going to just put it in the mold because it's really starting to thicken. So what I'll do is I'll just make sure you put it all the way in your mold. Completely push it down. And you will worry about everything afterwards, but it's starting to set. So we're going to have to just quickly push it down in there because it will harden before you know it. Work with it before it starts drying. I messed up. I'm hoping that it comes out the way I want it to. But yeah. I'm going to try to add a little bit more water. Very, very quick with this. Let me just see if I can just fill this one real quick. This one will not come out right, I can tell you that. It's hard to do this project all over because we let it, well, I let it get hard really quick. And what I think is you should do it in batches. So guys, I brought you back so you guys can see the plaster that I was using. I have another bag, but this is the best one if you ask me. This is the plaster by of Paris. And yeah, this one here is the best. So working with this plaster, you cannot try to make a big batch of it like I just did. I made a huge mistake. I wasted a whole lot of product by trying to make a big batch of plaster. You don't have to. The best thing you can do is work in sections, to work in small bowls, to work in small pieces. It works better. You can control it. You can work with it before it gets hard. When you got a big batch of it, it gets really hard, really firm, really fast. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fill this mold. This one I think is about right. The other one it hardened so quick on me. So the moral of the story is take a little bit at a time, mix, put your coloring in there, mix, so it won't get so hard so quick. I might have to do it over. It just hardened on me too quick. I think I used too much plaster. I believe that's what it was. But yeah, guys, so this is just gonna come out cute. Here, it's gonna set. It's gonna it sets quickly. I must tell you, it might not even take 24 hours, but I'm gonna leave mine for 24 hours. Then you take it out, and if it's, you know, too much on one side, just sand it down a little bit. You can sand it down a little bit. Okay guys, so we are back, and check out those bunnies. Aren't they cute? And I wanted to show you guys some of the colors I used to paint our moles or our bunnies. Yeah, but guys, this is fabulous. Now you tell me that you wouldn't enjoy painting these and having a good time sitting at the table, enjoying, using all your fabulous colors. And these are just some colors that I've used from Apple Barrel, and I love their paint. I have Martha Stewart here. This is a very it's an eggshell fine paint, but it is so pretty. And I got this on clearance at Michael's. So guys, please don't stay away from the clearance section, because they do have some good things in there. I'm gonna remove the paint. Now that we guys know some of the colors that we use, yellow, peachy pink, eggshell. So this is what we have. This is what we were left with, guys. Check them out. I enjoyed painting them. It was so relaxing, so cute. I could have done so many different things with them, but this is what I did, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So I want to show you my mistakes now. Don't think everything was hunky-dory. Oh, because it was not. If you can recall earlier in the video, I did state that when you mixing the plaster, do it in small batches, right? So you can control it, so you can have time to work with it. So I'm going to show you what happens when you don't. When you overuse it and it hardens before you can get it in your mold. Okay, so let's just move these out of the... This is what happens when you use a large batch of plaster. It hardens before you get the chance to do anything with it. As you can see here, this is one of our bunnies, and it just did not sit. It hardened before I can actually get it in the mold, and you will see that in the video how thick it was for me to work with. Do not let it get thick, guys, before you can get a chance to do anything with it. And again, this is another one here that got messed up in it, hardened before I can really get a chance to push it down in the mold. So if it was like thinner, I could have just pushed it down in the mold and it would have set perfectly. Now in the back, I'm not worrying about. The reason why I don't worry about the back, because it sits down and you never know what's going on in the back. And again here, it hardened before I can get a chance to push it down in the mold. So remember, work in small batches and you won't have this problem. And I'm going to show you guys again the mold that we used. So hold on. I think it was home. I'm really not sure. Marshall. This one here I purchased from Marshall's. It came in a set of 2. So what I do is I keep one to use with my plaster, and I keep the other one for my chocolate. So all of their things usually come in sets, especially if you get it from Home Goods. This is where this one came from, Home Goods. You get 2 in a pack. Again, I keep one for my chocolate and my cakes, and I keep one, to mess around with my plaster. And this is it right here, guys. So you can see, this is where this mold came from. Isn't that cute? Right? Isn't that cute? And guys, you can literally melt crayons, put it in there. It will become a beautiful mold. Just get a bunch of crayons. Go to Dollar Tree, get a bunch of crayons, melt it, pour the mold in here. Once it dry, absolutely fabulous. That's just an idea. Or you could just stick with the plaster. That'll be fine. But I want to show you guys. Okay, this is the mold that I'm going to show you guys now. And I had so much fun doing this. It took a little time, but I had so much fun working with it. So let me show you those right now. Okay, guys, this is this set right here. And isn't that cute? Isn't they cute? I love it. I enjoy them. Once again, this was relaxing to me. So guys, I have something else I want to show you. Let me move these to the side real quick. I showed you guys earlier how we took our glue gun and we put it in the molds. And this is what we came out with. The same thing. Check that out. The same thing as this one here. It's just and glue. Isn't that cute? Check this one here out. And I hope the camera is showing you which one it is. Yeah, let's back it up some. Okay, so this one here is this mold here. Yeah, the same exact mold. And what you can do with this one here is you can spray paint it, or you can even paint it. I even went so far as to paint it to show you guys that you can paint it. So this right here is a cool idea. Look at this one here. Isn't it cute? And I truly believe if you spray paint it, it'll hold up much better. And all this is glue, guys. I took the glue gun and squirted it inside the mold. And this is what we have here. Guys, so you're going to have to tell me what you think. You're going to have to tell me what you think. I showed you all my flaws and my mishaps, right? And we do that so we can learn. Well, I'm failing so you won't have to. Put it that way. I fall down so you don't have to, right? And I'm okay with that. I am definitely okay with that. Because I love, love, love when you guys show me what you did. You come back and say, hey, I tried that project and it was cool. But we don't want this kind of project, right, guys? This is a waste of time. So we're going to work in small batches. And we're going to have some fun. You guys tell me what you think of this. And will you try to do a project like this? And guys, remember, you could do this with any mold. Any mold you choose. You can get any mold. Targets have molds for $1. Cute molds. Dollar Tree have heart molds right now. Well, I know they did for Valentine's Day, but Easter's coming, so they should have some molds there. Just go try it. They have to make sure it's inside the mold completely. You want to cover it. You do not want one side lower than the other side. So guys, go have some fun. My name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting. You guys feel up to it. You could come back anytime you want. And I do have a video of some pieces I did last year. So let me show you those, guys. So just let me show you those real quick. Okay, guys, so I wanted to bring you back so you can see some of some of my work from last year, and I do have a video on that, and I will try to, if I can remember, I'll put it in the comment. That way you guys can go and check that out if you want to. But yeah, I used the donut mold, and look at these here. These are from last year, guys, and I really had a good time doing these here. They all different colors. They even had sprinkles on it, as you can see here. This one here is an ice cream mold, or you can use marshmallows. You can use Rice Krispies. Some people use Rice Krispies for this mold here. And as you can see, the sprinkles are now coming off. But yeah, I did these last year with sprinkles, and I made this one into a ice cream. And you know, the cool thing about these guys is you can wipe them off and repaint them, and they'll look just as beautiful as they did the first year. I could just wipe these off here and just repaint them the same color, right? But yeah, these are the ones I did last year. My name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting, guys.